basically the power supply is automatically cutting off. Okay, we got the short on the PCI slot. Now we have kind of suspected MOSFETs, I believe so, which could be from this side or one of these. Yeah, this is the short. There you can see this is M3054m. Now we try to find out the short, if that disappears or not. The PCI is not beeping anymore, so yeah, as you can see now it is turning on. Hello and welcome back to channel, guys. This is a Asus, and this is a 960 card GTX, and the problem is basically it's not turning on at all, even though if we install into the computer, so computer does not turn the power on at all, and there could be the short. But the short, I tried to find out from these pins and could not find it. It's not showing short here. So let me show you the symptoms, how it is doing it. So first of all, let me show you what is happening. We put the card into the PCI slot and give it to the power. Let's go just have one connection, so I'm just turning on the power supply, so there is nothing. And if we see, these are the power supply LEDs, if you might be able to see that. So as soon as I turn it on, there is no power at all. So basically the power supply is automatically cutting off. And first of all, the best way to initially check with these two connectors, so one is positive, one is negative. So this is the negative area which has got a notch in there, this is the negative and this is the positive side, and we connect with each other's opposite way. My multimeter is on the continuously mode, and if we connect it, it's showing only the resistance. It's not beeping at all. If that is beeping, so that is a sign of a short, but it's not showing short here. It's not showing short. Now we dismantle it. To find out any problem or visible problem with that. It has got only 4 screws, and as you can see, might be this was opened before because there is no thermal paste on the heatsink and also on the GPU itself as well. And also I can see some kind of it's a soldering paste. I think somebody tried already with the heating stuff or something like this, because it's definitely been open to see, or somebody was working on it. So we just said, put this thing on side and try to find out the problem. First of all, we'll see, put the probe on the negative, and we see the third, actually this third pin. Okay, we got the short on the PCI slot, as you can see. Okay, we have short on the 12 volt. These are the for the 12 volts. So we have short on the 12 volt and check the fuses as well. And meanwhile, so this is the fuse, which is, yeah, so fuse is fine, it's beeping, it should beep. And the second fuse, that's beeping as well, so that's fine as well. So now we need to see, one second, another fuse I found. Here is the fuse. That's okay as well. There is another way we can check the, now we have kind of suspected MOSFETs, I believe so, which could be from this side or one of these or a couple of them as well. So these MOSFETs are named M3056m. So M3056m. Most of them, they are actually the pin number 1, 2, 3, they are kind of ground, and the 4 number is gate. So we check with the gate. We probe it to the negative or ground, and we see, try to find out the short on the MOSFETs itself. Right, so we need to find out the short circuit where it is, because the PCI slot is showing us the short. That's why it's not showing any kind of symptoms of life. The fans, they are not turning on. The computer itself, that does not turn on, even though this is external power supply, which I used it with the PCI, and the power supply actually cuts, and it's not working at all with that. So we need to find out, first of all, short with these MOSFETs and these ones as well. So let's try. And also we will check the resistance on these components as well. So these MOSFETs, actually, they are kind of M3056m. These are all of them, and these are M3054m. So these are 3054m, and these are 3054m as well. Sorry, 3450. Sorry, my bad. It is M3054m, and also has got M3056m as well. So 56m and 54m. So these two types there are. So we need to make sure. And mostly these, let me show you on the screen the data sheet. Mostly what happens, the pin number 4 is a gate pin, so we need to see if that is beeping or not. If that beeps, then that means the transistor is faulty. So one probe is on the negative, and one probe on the pin 4. So we have resistance, so that means this is not short. On the 2-1, okay, similar kind of resistor, we have nearly 497, and again we're gonna check it onto the second row. Okay, this is suspicious. Yeah, this is the short. There you can see it beeps on the pin number 4, and this is M3054m. and the second one is upside down. This is upside down, so we need to see the pin number 4 is here. So this is a little bit suspicious according to my knowledge. I could be wrong. Let's see the other one. Yeah, this is 497, so that is fine. So we first of all mark this one, which is faulty. We make sure again it's beeps. Yeah, confirmed. So this is we're gonna mark as a cross, so that's no good. And also this is the suspicious, actually it's showing the 496 ohm. That's fine. Again, these two are fine as well. Yeah, this is suspicious, so I just marked one to make sure. Okay, the next row is these are okay. Sorry, I checked it again to make sure. Okay, now this is the pin number 4 is here, which is straight. And yeah, this is showing the similar kind of resistance like this, so I will check it later on. And we check the next one. That's 497 or 95. This is correct. Now that's again, this is the pin number 4 is there. So again, this is showing the similar value of this. It's not beeping, but it's showing 1, so could be fine. This is these could be fine, so there is actually no short. And this is upside down. We need to check from the other side. Showing resistance should be fine, but the other ones, they are showing 495 or up to 500, but this is showing too much. I think this is fine, not too bad. And last two on this row, this is the 4th pin. It seems okay, and this is the 4th pin. It seems fine as well. Right, okay, so we found actually this one, which is bad. It beeps. Okay, now we find out the problems here as well. We just make sure, because most likely the problem is one MOSFET, and we still make sure with other ones. We need to see which one is pin number 4. So this is the pin number 4. So that's showing the 470 something, so this is not short. And similar position we're gonna check on this one. It's showing the 480, yeah, similar kind of value, 470 something, so that's fine as well. We check now the third one. The third one basically is a similar kind of value, which is going over the limit. I think that could be fine as well. That should be fine. So there is no short. Or actually, it's showing 0.011. It could be doubtful as well. I need to make sure how the resistance calculated on these kind of MOSFETs. This is by the way M3054m, and here we found the faulty one, which is M3054m as well, so basically they are similar. So what we do, we try to remove this one, then after that we try to find the short. At the moment you can check again, it's beeping on the pin number 3, so that makes there is a definitely short. So what we do, we remove this MOSFET, and then after that we're gonna just check it if the short finish or not. Right, we turn on our heat gun and we apply the direct heat onto the component. So this is the 41. There you go. This is out at the moment, and now we try to find out the short, if that disappears or not. The PCI is not beeping anymore, so that makes like 100% surety. So this MOSFET was the problem, and what we need to do, we need to arrange this kind of MOSFET. So that was M3054, I believe, and there is no short on the PCI slot at the moment. So basically we found the problem, and we need to replace this small MOSFET. Again, let me show you. It must be short as well. So pin number 4, we need to find out the pin number 4 was. You can always check, because it says a small dot. It might be able to see that the small dot on the corner, and that is the pin number 1 always on every chip. Whatever the dot shows, so that is the pin number 1, and we need to see actually the pin number 1 is, we will consider, because we are doing this, we are flipping the chip, and this is the pin number 1, and we need to make sure with the pin number 4, or ground as well. We can directly check with the ground. So this is ground, and that is pin number 4, and it beeps, so that means it is finished. You might be able to hear it. But before to find out the chip, let me make sure with the power supply, if that turns on or not. We connect the power and into the PCI slot, powering up on the top of the PCIe, and we turn on. Yeah, as you can see now it is turning on, and the lights, they are showing. The GPU is not warming up. It could be because of the because we have chip already removed, so GPU is not moving. Sorry, it's not warming. But let me see if the fans, they are working or not, just in case. Yeah, the fans, they are working. So basically our card is live. Seems to me okay, just after this small component. Alright guys, just checked it. Actually I could not find the same chip number, so we need to order it, and the part will come from China, and it will take a few days to come around. I'm going to order now, so in about a week time or so, as soon as I get the part, I will make another video which will be part 2 of this video. So again, just for reminding, this is a Asus GTX 960, and the power was problem. It was short, the PC was not turning on, and even though the external power supply is not turning on as well, was not turning on as well before, while there was a short actually. And this was the Mosfet, which is M3054m. We have already took it out. So this is this small chip which I cannot find it with me in my stock, so as soon as I get that, I will make another video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this video, and subscribe to channel as well, and to get the second video as well, it will take like a week or 10 days, something like this. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching Universal Information and Entertainment TV. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos, news, information and entertainment. See you in next video. Stay tuned.